Hello. My wife is convinced that everything I do, YouTube wants to see. I bought a tractor last year. I bought it with a snowplow blade. In order to drive a snowplow blade, you have to have chains on the rear tires. You also have to put a lot of weight on the rear tires. Now, contrary to popular belief, you need more than just the driver. You have to put the weight out as far away from the blade as possible to make it easy to lift the blade up. More specifically, to take the load off the front tires because it makes it hard to steer. These are Cub Cadet. I think they're used on MTD and some others. It's basically a giant piece of plastic full of concrete. They're 55 pounds a piece, and the tractor takes 3 of them. Apparently, Cub Cadet, in their infinite wisdom, thinks that these hand notches should make it super easy to lift 55 pounds up, and this is a notch for the bar that they hang off of up the back of the tractor. Well, I assure you, especially for a one-handed person who's trying to fight off carpal tunnel, grabbing them like this, terrible idea. I fought it all last winter. This year, I'm fixing it. How am I going to do that? Simple. I'm going to put a $2 handle on it. These are just utility pull handles, according to the package. I think they were $3 or $4 a piece at Lowe's. They come with some wood screws. Don't throw those away. You can keep those for later. So I'm just going to attach these handles to that. Now, the plastic won't hold all that weight, and you probably pull out and fall on your toe and break your toe. I don't know why they just didn't embed a piece of metal in here for a lift handle, probably to make the shipping box smaller. So I'm going to put one on top. When you're screwing into concrete, you have to use concrete screws, or you can use wedge anchors, but usually those are for bigger things. These are concrete screws. These specific ones are made by Tapcon. They're all over the place at every hardware store in America. You just drill a pilot hole with a hammer drill and a hammer drill bit. Essentially, a hammer drill looks just like a regular drill bit, but it has a special tip on it. And the way hammer drills work is instead of cutting like in wood or metal, hammer drills do exactly what they say. They hammer the concrete. They go bang, index, bang, index. To do a hammer drill bit, you need a hammer drill. This particular one, you just turn the collar all the way past drill to the hammer indication. And that's it. And then what happens is as it spins, it vibrates the bit up and down, and that grinds through the concrete. So the Tapcons come with, on the box, it says what drill bit size you need for it. I happen to know that that's the correct size. I've shot a lot of these over the years, and the drill bit that they come with, it'll work okay, but really if you're going to do more than 5 or 6, invest $6 or $8 in a good quality one. They're longer, and they're made better. What we're going to do here is we're going to drill a pilot hole to the plastic so that we got the hole in the right spot. Then we're going to switch to drilling a deeper hole with the hammer drill bit, and then we're going to shoot the screw in with an impact gun to make sure it's nice and tight. So let's get to it. All I'm going to do here is put the handle exactly where they want you to put your hand. So I'll just do the first one. I'll drill a pilot hole. I'm going to use the hammer drill. Got my handle on, took me 2 minutes. The first one I hit concrete right away. This one seemed to be mostly plastic, but I'll tell you what, when I hear an impact gun banging away, tightening this thing down, that screw's in there good. There's 4 screws. This thing's not just gonna let loose. So if it starts getting wobbly, well, I'll just put longer screws. With this really nice hammer drill bit I bought, it's almost 4 inches long. I can go way down in there, and I have 4-inch long Tapcons. They make these in a variety of widths and lengths, depending on what you're trying to attach. The box tells you how much weight it can hold. Now, no problem. I got 2 more to do, and that's it. Thanks for watching.